Let's calculate a value of 1 pip. And how would we do that? So different currencies have different values. Of course, USD could be running at let's say USD, I will say Euro could be valued at 1.25 or 4. So different currencies have different values. That's why we have the concept of pip and the changes for each currency. So first thing to note is that when we calculate a pip in a value, in most forex codes, particularly the large 7 or 8 currencies mostly widely used in the world, which we studied earlier, is that the base currency or the counter currency, the base currency is, in this example for USD Euro, the base currency is USD because it's written first. Let's see the example. So let's say the price of the USD and Swiss franc is at 0.9235, and then if the change is 1 pip, the new price will be, so there's actually a formula, a pip value, which is calculated like this, and it will be 0.0001 divided by, okay, this will be divided by the currency exchange rate, so which is at 0.9235, and I will write this pip value equals 1 pip divided by the code. So in this instance, the pip value of the USD CHF is, so in this case, if I take my calculator out and I write in 0.0001 divided by 0.9235, and I will get 1. So the calculator doesn't really show you properly what the exact figure is, because you see there's a -4 to it. That means you have to move this decimal to your left 4 times. So what I did was I opened up the Excel, and I can see that I divided, what I did was I wrote this and this, and I divided that, the pip value, which is always 1, and then to the rate. So the movement of the value of 1 pip between the USD and Swiss franc at this rate is this amount, which is very, very small. Let's do another example. So let's say USD and JPY, the rate is 81.55, and now the calculation will again be similar. It will be 0.01, it will be 2 places divided by 81.55. I will try this on the calculator. So 0.1 divided by 81.55. So again we see the -4, so it's better to use the Excel sheet. I will simply change the values here. So this is going to be 0.01 and this is going to be 81.55. So the value of pip for USD JPY is this, depending on this rate. If the rate changes, let's say it becomes 81.65, then the pip value also changes.